introducing you to a remarkable piece of industrial equipment that has revolutionized the bottling process in many manufacturing sectors, the MSP Automatic Glass Bottle Rinsing, Filling, and Capping Machine, commonly referred to as the RFC machine. In the modern manufacturing world, speed, precision, and hygiene are non-negotiable. The MSP RFC machine is engineered to deliver all of these with outstanding reliability. At its core, this advanced machine performs three critical operations on glass bottles: rinsing, filling, and capping, in a seamless, automated sequence that maximizes efficiency while ensuring product integrity. Let's take a closer look at how the process flows. Initially, empty glass bottles are loaded onto a conveyor at the beginning of the line. This conveyor acts like a well-organized highway, moving bottles forward in a controlled and continuous motion. The system's design ensures that the bottles are steady and correctly oriented as they enter each subsequent stage of processing. The first major function of the machine is rinsing. As bottles advance on the conveyor, they enter the rinsing section where high-pressure jets of clean water or sterile solution flush the interior of each bottle. This step is critical to remove any microscopic dust, debris, or contaminants that might compromise the quality of the product later on. Once the bottles are thoroughly rinsed, the conveyor guides them into the filling zone. Here, the MSP RFC machine employs precision-controlled filling nozzles that dispense the exact quantity of liquid into each bottle. Immediately after filling, the bottles move to the capping station. The MSP RFC is equipped with a reliable capping mechanism that places and tightens caps onto the bottles with uniform torque. After capping, the next essential step in the automated line is quality inspection. The bottles pass under a series of light rays or optical sensors where they are scanned for dust particles, fill level accuracy, cap placement, and any visual defects. With every stage integrated into one continuous process, the MSP Automatic RFC machine significantly reduces manual labor, increases output, and enhances overall production quality. The system's versatile design allows manufacturers to adapt it easily for different bottle shapes, sizes, and product types. Let's talk about applications. This machine is widely used in beverage industries, including mineral water, carbonated drinks, juices, and dairy, pharmaceutical companies, for sterile liquid medicines, syrups, and injectable solutions, cosmetics and personal care, such as perfumes, lotions, and liquid soaps, food industry, for edible oils, sauces, and vinegar. Visit us.